Hey everybody, if you don't know who I am, my name is Christina. I am the person behind the Bag Junkie Shop. It was originally called Bag Junkie, nothing but handcrafted bags, things like that. I eventually branched off to the Junkie Designs, which was personalized items, but now I basically condensed them together. So I have the Bag Junkie Shop. So today, I'm going to start something where I'm, showcasing my pieces, items, DIYs, anything I can think of, on YouTube. So, well, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, things like that, but mainly Instagram and YouTube. But anyways, the point is I just want to showcase some of my designs, my work, my crafts, and things like that. And I get a lot of, questions, responses on Instagram or through my email. So why not showcase to you guys? You could be trying to figure out the same thing that I'm doing. So whatever. But the point of this video today is I have a brand new collection, which is the tie-dye collection. And I just wanted to show you guys what that consists of and some of the items that I handmade myself. So this is something that I have here, the Bag Junkie Shop, that I made, and I also have some other pieces right here. So this one is just a vintage Coca-Cola tea that I found, and I thought it was so plain because it was white with red, and I kind of wanted to hook it up a little bit, so I just threw a couple of colors on there. Here, and this is, I don't think I'm gonna put this on my website because this is only one that I found, and I don't think I'll be able to find any more. So I guess I have this one for myself, but it is a size small, but it looks like it could be a small medium. But yeah, I just thought I would hook this up a little bit. And then I have this one. This one, you can get it plain or you can get it with the Bag Junkie Shop. If you go to my website, which is theBAGJUNKIshop.com, you will see a visual of this one plain, and you will see it as it is now with the Bag Junkie Shop. All of my tees or hoodies or whatever is going to have some type of logo on it. If it's not on the front, then it will be inside on the tag. But yeah, I mean, doesn't this just look like a jawbreaker? When I saw this, I was like, automatically, I know what the name is going to be for this one. But yeah, it's on my website. And I also have more sizes. This is a size extra large, but it can come in small, medium, large, 2X, 3X, whatever size you need. And then I have this one. This one is pretty dope. I like it. Let's see. This is a size large, but it can come in any size. Also online, it shows the visual without the logo, but you can get it with the logo. Of course, I prefer the logo, but you can see it online. I have that one. Also, of course, this one, like I mentioned before, but you can also do custom tie-dye, like certain colors, prints, patterns, whatever. This one, of course, has the spiral effect. And then here's another one with the spiral effect. It's kind of similar, but it's not. But yeah, this one come in all sizes, as I stated before. Okay, let me put that there. I don't know why I'm putting them on the floor. Now, the question I get a lot of DMs about is these socks. I was like, hey, if I'm going to do 1,000 shirts, 1,000 hoodies, I might as well throw some socks in there. And I just recently bought some more socks, some Nike socks, so I'm going to tie-dye those. But yeah, these fit good. It's pretty much a one size for the adults. Pretty much fits everyone. My 11-year-old daughter tried these on, and it fit really good and it looked good. But yeah, I say this is this looks just like Sprite, doesn't it? But yeah, I have the socks if you want custom colors, patterns, things like that. These are actually my favorite ones right here. You know, just send me a message on Instagram, send me an email, however you know how to get in contact with me. You know, text message, whatever. But I really like these. These are different. And these were actually easy. These were actually time consuming because you had to wrap each sock individually several times with rubber bands. But when you see the end result, it's actually worth it, I think. But these are pretty dope. So I'm going to be making some more. Especially like if you're a sneakerhead, to wear those socks and stack them with different t-shirts and different colors in your shoes. That's an idea. Just to let you know. Now, as far as the hoodies, I'm missing one hoodie because my daughter went ahead and swiped the hoodie. So, but yeah, I'll show a picture later, I think. But that hoodie is also on the website. I did a total of 4. Thought I had 5, but I did 4 hoodies, 4 or 5 shirts, and then a couple of 4 or 5 pair of socks, all at one time. But yeah, you have this one. Also, I have the names of everything later, but everything is also online as well. But yeah, this is pretty dope. This is pretty much with all my hoodies. I wanted to keep a little bit of white. I didn't want to saturate it too much, but that's always an option if I do any more hoodies. And of course, you know, I'm going to do something different, you know, just to showcase my talent and just to see what all I can do, basically, because I'm not really a tie-dye pro, but yet I like to figure stuff out. As you know, once you subscribe to my channel, make sure you do that. You will see everything that I will be creating. I've created. I do have older videos, but of course, I kind of stopped with YouTube for a little while to focus on other things, my business, my brand, rebranding, things like that. But now that I'm a full-time entrepreneur, which will be a later video, now that I'm a full-time entrepreneur, I have the time to do it, time to focus on more things. So, you know, as far as the content that would be on this particular channel would be a whole bunch of, you know, showcasing my work, what I've created, DIYs, things like that. So you can look at my old videos if you like, but I will be doing everything as well as creating new content. But anyway, back to the tie-dye. So yeah, I have this one. I like this one. It's pretty simple. This hoodie right here is everything. Just love it. I love it. But it's a whole bunch of what? Yellow, green, blue, navy blue, teal, yellow, orange, which I love it. This is more of a splattered, scrunchy effect. So yeah, this was also on the website as well. This one is just more like pastels. It's just crazy how this one came out. Look at the hood. But this one, if you do want it more saturated, once you order online, you can make a comment, hey, make the colors a little bit more deeper or things like that. I mean, that's fine because I do have the dye right then and there. So but yeah, it even made the string teal color. That's pretty dope. It's unexpected, but of course, you know, if I do want a white, I can just bleach them off. But kind of like how it picks up the colors of what's on the hoodie, if that makes sense. You know, that's the whole point of a tie-dye hoodie, is to color as much as possible. But some people want a white, that's fine, just let me know. But yep, and then you also of course have the signature pocket here, and then you have the hood. I do have it scrunched up a little bit. And yep, as far as everything is on the website, 4 different hoodies on the website. And if you're looking for certain colors or, you know, a different style, that's easy to do. You know, just send me an email, or if you contact me, follow me on Instagram, which I'll have the information down below as well. If you want to send me an email, that's fine as well. But But yeah, just showcasing my new collection, which is the tie-dye collection. This collection just came randomly. You know, I was looking online and, you know, I was seeing all these different colors and I was like, I should just, you know, get some hoodies, some shirts, some socks, whatever I could find, just tie-dye the mess out of it and just freestyle. And that's basically what I did. So yeah, and that's what I came up with, which I really think it's good because everything is heavily coated and saturated, which was, you know, a lot of times when people tie-dye stuff, they have a hard time, you know, getting that done, or it comes out to be a green brown mess, or it just doesn't look right. So I just took the chance, and I think everything, I'm pretty much satisfied with every piece that came out. So I mean, just look at this hoodie. This is ridiculous. But yeah, so yeah, like I said, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you get all the updates of when I upload videos. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram, which is at theBAGJUNKIshop. And also, if you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, or you want to see me post anything, make anything, be sure to comment below, or, you know, however you want to contact me, that's fine. But if you send something or comment below, then that'll just be easier. Also, if you have any questions to ask about anything, you can also write that below and I'll be sure to get back with you. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.